My name is Rachel Shannon, and I'm the owner of Dee-O-Gee in Longmont. Dee-O-Gee is a retail store that has grooming and daycare and do-it-yourself. We sell holistic dog food. There's no corn, wheat, or soy in any of the food that we sell. The health of a pet is very important to everyone, so we want to help out by supplying you with the best options possible. Not only do we have retail and sell dog food, we have two full-time groomers that work here that have a lot of experience, 25 years between the two of them. What I love most about downtown is the community that is so supportive of me, that comes in all the time. We have a full house in the daycare, and most of them come across the street from the South Main Station, and it's just a really great neighborhood to be in and very supportive. I opened this particular business because I'm from Montana, and this originated from Montana. I grew up in a mom and pop grocery store from the time I was 1 till 19, so I am used to the local mom and pop store kind of feel. So yeah, that's why I started, and I'm very passionate about it because I grew up in this environment. What gets me excited about working with everyone in the community is meeting their dogs, of course. I know every dog by name that comes into the store. Not the people so much, but every dog that comes in, we all know their name by heart. But that's what gets me excited, is seeing all the dogs and the love that everyone shares for their pet. My name is Rachel Shannon, and I'm the owner of Dee-O-Gee, and downtown Longmont is my neighborhood.